and I don't use the word, you know, because somebody say, they ain't your sisters, they ain't your brothers, you know. Yes, they are. We have a connection. Ancestrally, we have a connection. Okay. So, I say we should come forward. Come. Now, you got to come with a plan. All right? The brother had a plan. When you come without a plan, guaranteed you're going to fail. Tell me. I counsel people that say they want to come to Africa. Oh, I'm coming to Africa. I want to live in Africa. I say, fine. First question, what is your plan? Second question, how much money do you have? Third, what are you going to do when you get here? Lady told me, she said, I am going to, you want to give me a piece of paper? It tells me that I got a couple minutes. Okay, we're going to take a 15-minute break and come back. So, just in closing, I thought he was telling me to sit down and shut up.
You'll come back.
You know, they passed the paper.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good though.
But the thing is that you have to have a plan. Okay. Africa is wonderful, but she will chew you up and spit you out if you do not come prepared. Okay. So when you're by my book, Returning Home Ain't Easy, but it sure is a blessing. And he or she who has been away and has returned, and then you got to get Audrey's books. We're going to give you all enough books so by the time you'll get finished reading, okay, you'll either say to hell with us when we all fall out of our treehouse, or we will see you next year, okay? So we're going to come back after getting something to eat, and we'll take it from there.
Great.
Please?
All right.
And I want to help on this brother.
So brothers and sisters, we're going to take a few minutes.